Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil. In this Electron.js video tutorial, we will learn about context menu. So these are the points for this video. Then we will jump on practical example. We will learn what is context menu, how we can make template for context menu, and after that we will see that how we can add some actions like window close, copy paste, or minimize application with the help of context menu. And at the last we will test our complete example. So the first question is, what is context menu? So context menus are those are visible on a right click. For example, these are our main menus which we learned in the previous video, and when you just click on a right click on any software, then you will just get a list of menus. These are the basically context menu. So now let's start with our application and let's see what we are getting by default or as in context menu in our application. So just run npm run watch. And for main menus, we have some by default menus, but as in context menu, we don't have any menus here. You can see that whenever I'm trying to right click on it, there is nothing to visible. So first of all, what we need, we must have to import menus for main menus also, and same menus also applied for context menu. And after that, let's just define a template. So let's just take a variable template, and in this template, this is basically a array, and we can just add some item like label, like item 1, and we can add some more item also with the, let's say, label, and here we can just define here item 2. All right, and after that, let's just use for build from menu function to just bind these menus with the this template with the menus. So let's take another variable context menu or something, and just simply use here menu dot build for template and attach template with it. And after that, as we know, these menus are visible on our content, so just write here window dot web content dot on, and here we have an event with the context menu, and in a second parameter we can just take a arrow function and just simply write here context menu dot pop, and this function will just make context menu visible. So now let's open application and click right click here. We can see two menus, but these are not actually performing any action. So how we can perform some actions here? So let's add some more items. Let's say you can just add role, and just you can simply mention here some quit or something. So let me just add here a quit role. And now let's try. So whenever I am just opening this menu and clicking on it, now you can see that our application is closed. So with that way, we can just perform some action. So now let's run it once again and define some more roles and all, right? So let's say you just want to again change the name of this, you can say that menu. So just write here label, and here you can put here, let's say, close or something. And let's define last one item also, let's say role minimize, and this role will basically minimize your application. So now let's try to work with these last two. Whenever I will just click on minimize, our application will minimize like we are clicking on that action, and on a close, our application will be closed. So these are the example of context menu. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video. Bye bye, take care.